Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin what's coming to you ngayong Burr month. So that's September, October, November, December 2025. If you're interested in private reading, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. Extended yan, yung promo na yan hanggang September 2025. Ayan. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo magpa-book for a private reading. And please like, share, subscribe, and also comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Meron din tayong free one question tarot reading, no? I-comment nyo lang yung question nyo dyan sa comment section at pipili ako ng mananalo ng free one question tarot reading. Okay. Paalala lang ang reading na to ay general reading, so just take what resonates. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Okay, Taurus, let's see Burr month's energy. Burr month's energy, Taurus. Anong parating sa inyo ngayong Burr months? Okay, overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, and blessing. So, September, October, November, December. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. So, this is intuition. Yung inyong feelings. Maaring mas in-nurture nyo yung sarili nyo. Aalagaan nyo. You may be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And then you also have the Page of Swords. This is learning, intelligence. So, maaring nag-upgrade din kayo ng inyong mga knowledge, no? Skill set ninyo. You also have the High Priestess. This is about your instinct, your intuition, no? So, mas, iba sa inyo, Taurus, you are into spirituality or nasa tarot reading rin kayo or interesado kayo sa astrology, anything esoteric, ganyan. So, mas lumalakas ang inyong instinct, intuition. And then, you also have the Three of Cups. This is about meron kayong i-celebrate. Pwedeng kayo ay mag-celebrate ng inyong achievement. Kung kayo ay sumali sa contest, kayo ay mananalo. So, merong competition dito. And you will be able to win that. So, meron kang celebration. You will also give more time with your friends, family. Maaring mas madalas ka ngayong lalabas, enjoy, ganyan. You have the Six of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, wow, and the Fool. So definitely, this is a new opportunity, new beginning, bagong chapter ng buhay mo nagbubukas. Six of Pentacles is balance in your finances, giving and taking. So, maaring meron kang tutulungan or ikaw yung tutulungan just in case kailangan mo ng tulong financially or anything na resources na kailangan mo. Some of you, maaring makakabili kayo ng sasakyan kung isa yan sa goals ninyo ngayong Burr months. You are stepping into a new experience. Magte-take ka ng risk ngayon, okay? Yung pagte-take ng risk, yan yung mas lalong malaki yung chance mo na mas maging maswerte sa buhay because you are taking risk. Hindi lang yung parang laging nasa comfort zone mo. You have the Tower and then the Temperance. The Tower is release. Pag-release ng mga bagay that is no longer serving you. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong maging experience na, let's say, yung iba mawala ng trabaho dahil yun pala yung magiging dahilan para makapag-explore ka ng bagong mong mapagkakakitaan. And yung bagong pagkakakitaan mo, yun pala yung babago sa buhay mo financially for the better, 'di ba? So, mga ganon ang ganap. Let's see your overall energy. Ooh, see? You have the Three of Wands. This is expansion. May nadidiscover ka na pwedeng bagong pagkakakitaan or bagong place na pwede mong puntahan, i-discover. This is going on an adventure. This is also good luck. So, kung ano man to na i-explore mo, this will bring good luck sa buhay mo. Can be a relationship, can be career, Yung iba, maaring kayo ay mag-a-abroad, magtatrabaho sa ibang lugar, mas malayong lugar. This is also expansion. Kung may negosyo ka, mas nag-expand yung business mo. Your challenge is the Queen of Cups. So, ang challenge lang sa'yo, yung emotions mo. Wag mong hayaan na manaig ang emotion mo over logic. Kasi, although, mas okay rin naman na pantay lang sila. Depende sa sitwasyon. Kaya lang kasi, 'di ba? Kapag hindi mo kontrolado yung emosyon mo, mas madalas nakakapag-desisyon tayo ng pagsisisihan rin natin after. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi nila na, oy, nagpadala ka sa bugso ng damdamin mo. Ganun. It's either may masabi ka, magawa na in the end, pagsisisihan mo lang. Halimbawa, malungkot ka, tapos gusto mong, you want to feel good or to feel happy. Tapos, nag-shopping therapy ka. So, pinagbibili mo yung mga bagay na nagukyutan ka, pero hindi mo naman kailangan. So, naging happy ka for a moment, pero hindi naman talaga yun yung nakatulong sa'yo para, ayusin yung problema. So, maaring may escapism din dito, no? So, yun yung challenge mo na harapin yung realidad at, take action and bigyan ng solusyon kung ano man yung challenges na yan. Kasi meron kang creative na abilities na maaring hindi mo siya natatap. Oo, na will help you in case na medyo nagiging emotional ka. You can parang do painting, singing, playing musical instruments, na pwedeng yun yung maging outlet mo. 'Di ba? Opportunity, wow. The sun. The sun is about energy, your light, attention. So, meron kang opportunity na mapunta sa iyo ang atensyon. Maaring meron mga tao makaka-appreciate sa gawa mo, sa performance mo sa work, or you will get some popularity or fame if you are into social media, or kahit na hindi ka sa social media, pwedeng sa community nyo, sa lugar ninyo. This is also confidence. So, mas magiging malakas ang iyong tiwala sa sarili mo. And the more na malakas ang tiwala mo sa sarili mo, confident ka, marami kang kayang ma-achieve. Your blessing is the Two of Wands. This is partnership and planning. So, may blessing ka when you partner with someone na may parehong vision, may parehong intention sa mga goals ninyo. Kumbaga, pareho kayo ng gustong marating. That is going to be blessed. And then, pwede rin meron kang decision making na ang mapipili mo ay makakabuti para sa'yo. This will bring a lot of blessings. September energy is 8 of Wands. So, may good news na parating. Pwedeng galing sa ibang bansa to or from meron ka in-applyan na trabaho or may project ka na ginagawa tapos may hinihintay ka na reply ng isang taong kausap mo, ka-deal mo. This can also be travel opportunities for you. Medyo magiging busy ang September for you. Marami kang aasikasuhin, so manage your time. And then October, 4 of Cups. This is, yung iba sa inyo, you might feel bored. Oo, na parang, ano pa yung next? Kasi 'di ba, naging busy ka, tapos biglang parang nag-low yung energy mo na parang, bakit sobrang dami kong ginagawa? Sa pagdating ng October, pwede magle-lay low ka. Kasi naghahanap ka ng fulfillment na minsan naka-autopilot tayo na, sige, ito, trabaho. Pero hindi natin alam nade-drain na pala tayo. So, maaring pagdating ng October, you will do something para naman sa sarili mo. Okay? Para mag-uplift sa'yo. You will feel good about yourself. And then, November, the Knight of Wands. Ayan, balik action ka ulit. Balik action ka ng November. This is your fire, your passion. Mas magiging passionate ka ulit. Mas magiging on the go, action-oriented. Maaring may mga asikasuhin ka ng mga bagay na hindi mo nagharap noong October. At pagdating ng November, asikasuhin mo na siya. So, you will be able to catch up naman, no? Makaka-catch up mo naman yan. And then December is the star. Wow, ang ganda nito. The star is about your hopes, your dreams. This is wish fulfillment. So meron kang wish na matutupad ngayong December. I also see you na meron kang bonggang-bonggang dekorasyon sa bahay nyo pagdating ng December. Like talagang ang liwanag, no? Oo, hanggang labas, hanggang bakuran yung liwanag, pati sa loob. And meron kang mga gustong gawin na yung tipong hindi mo nagagawa in the past years na ngayong December mo magagawa para sa family mo, mga pangarap mo para sa kanila. This is also inspiration. So you're going to feel inspired dahil marami kang mga natutulungan or marami ring mga natupad na ng mga goals mo. So you're going to be very thankful and grateful for the blessings na na-receive mo sa buong taon. This is also about healing. So kung meron kang health challenges sa iyong kalusugan, by December, makakaramdam ka ng kaayusan ng iyong pakiramdam. Makakaramdam ka ng kaayusan. Oo. Sa money, career, finances, you have the Four of Swords, the Ace of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bonggang bakasyon. Lalo't may mga bagay na maaring niyang makapagpa-stress sa inyo, lalo na pagdating ng October. But you will give or you will do something para sa sarili mo na makapagpahinga. Oo. And dun sa pagpapahinga mo na yan, meron kang bagong idea na mabubuo sa isip mo na, uy, this is a good idea for career, this is a good idea for the business, ganyan. So, maaring yan yung i-open mo sa sarili mo. And then sa love life, you have the Seven of Wands, the Knight of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, yung relationship na na meron kayo is parang on and off, no? Medyo unstable yung relationship that you are in, especially if you are may ka-deal ka. Lalo na kung ito ay long distance relationship. So, maaring give some time to your loved one, lalo na kung hindi na kayo masyadong nagkikita, nagkakausap. Oo, communication is the key to success. You have round and round. So may mga bagay na paulit-ulit na ma-experience mo na maaring finally mare-resolve mo yung problema kung ito'y the same problem. Oo, yung tipong paulit-ulit mong na-experience. Meron kang matutuklasan na katotohanan. Itong katotohanan na to ay yung totoong intention ng isang tao sa buhay mo. Kumbaga may matatanggal na mask. Oo. Yung kanyang totoong pagkatao, yung kanyang totoong intensyon, makikita mo. This can be anyone, okay? Can be your romantic partner, katrabaho. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Ayan. So, nagkakaroon ka ng spiritual awakening. Maaring may nagbabago sa pananaw mo sa buhay, mga belief system mo. Merong news na parating, no? This can be a package or a letter, importanteng sulat or package from other people. Maaring galing abroad. News is on the way. Ayan. So, puro birds. Maaring merong importanteng mensahe kang marireceive ngayong Burr months that will change the trajectory of your life. O, diba? Taking a leap of faith is someone na naglalakas ng loob na mag-explore, sumubok ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo. And also, ma-activate rin yung pagiging passionate mo sa isang craft or yung creative side mo. And this is also, tinan mo, butterfly and phoenix, no? Transformation, major changes going to happen. It's like a brand new you. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.